Hi guys, this is Machine Dana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make frozen margaritas. A week or two ago, for the first ever time, I did a live stream, which was an IRL stream, where my wife and I decided we would make some frozen margaritas. It went really well. Everyone enjoyed the stream itself, but I also thought that maybe the content from the stream could be very useful for people that want to make frozen margaritas. So this video might last a little bit longer than your average recipe video, but it is only because we did it on a live stream, but hopefully the viewing is a little bit more amenable to you. It's quite a friendly and fun stream that we had there, of course with some edits in there too. The frozen margarita is a really nice drink that you can have. It's very refreshing. It's a fairly healthy drink as well, as far as drinks go anyway, so comparably it's a fairly healthy drink. For this recipe you need 50 mils of tequila. You need 25 mils of triple sec. We used Cointreau, which is it's an orange-based drink. 15 mils of sugar syrup or some sort of caramel syrup, which is optional to taste. You'll also need a large handful of ice and then a wedge of lime for garnish, some salt for garnish, and water for garnish. And this will give you one pretty strong glass full of frozen margarita. You also need to use a blender for this as well, for crushing the ice. Without further ado, we'll get into the stream itself, which is an edited version of a stream we recently had. Margaritas. I'm gonna make some margaritas. I was getting serious buffering on your stream. At least your missus is real, unlike Jam Jars. She is real. I can confirm.
No, but he's paying me to be here, so.
Not very much though.
No.
Right, how do we make margaritas?
Right. Do you want to do the measuring? And
Have you got the thing here?
Yeah.
Tequila. All right,
so we
okay.
need 50. Are you just going to do it in that?
Yep. Right. We could make this into a YouTube video. Do we?
No.
No. We're not, maybe we make it into a YouTube video, but maybe not. Yes, sir.
Right. 50 mils of tequila.
There you go. Bing. 50 mils. The second line.
How many does this make? Serves one.
Serves one.
We'll have to do this 3 times.
This is our tequila.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need 25 mils of triple sec.
No worries. I'll do a gaming like streaming in like half an hour. This is just some IRL stuff. I think 50 mils is very top. Right, just right here, yeah? Rather than here.
Okay, we need 25.
We probably should put a bit more in for good measure though, I think. What do you reckon?
You would be such a shit barman.
Jam
like,
just
I'm
say...
literally telling you, like, make me drink, this is what you need, and you're just like...
I'm trying to engage as well.
I'm thirsty.
Right, what else?
25 mils.
25 mils. The Cointreau is 25 mils, so... This is so funny, it just looks a mess already, but it kind of goes. Shake that ass. 25, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Do the honours.
And then we need...
Oh, that smells really nice.
Of lime juice.
25 lime juice. Margaritas! He always looks frisky. And he looks like he's a bit frisky tonight. Better watch out, James. Bates.
He's always frisky when I'm around.
This is now... Oh shit.
Broken it.
Just broke it. Ah, fuck. So, Cointreau. We've got tequila here. And now we've got lime juice. The lime juice needs to be at the 50 as well.
No, 25.
25. That's what I said. You passed the test. There you go. Ah! Lime juice. All good.
Brill. Okay, now we need a large handful of ice, so I'll do that because your hands are quite small.
You know what they say about small hands? Small hands, guys. Small hands. Straight from my wife's mouth. Wonderful. Woo! You're ordering pizza right now. What are you getting, Jam? Oh no, you don't have... Fuck. He doesn't have cheese on his pizzas.
What?
He doesn't have cheese on... He orders from Domino's.
Wait, are you allergic?
From Domino's, right? He orders Like no cheese pizzas. Everything else is still on
Why
there.
though? Is he allergic?
He just doesn't like it. It's like both.
Ugh.
Oh my god, my finger looks huge on this.
Right. Oh, we need to put some wedges of lime, but we don't put it in there. Just one wedge of lime, please, to garnish.
One wedge. One single wedge.
Yes. Well, you need to do 3.
Chat's been quite nice. They're not overloading us with chat at the moment, so hopefully just waiting patiently. I'm so good at cutting stuff, by the way, that I cut my finger earlier today. And I wasn't even cutting anything at the time. I basically was just putting a knife away. I managed to cut my own finger while I put the knife away. I'm a very special guy today. Okay. Everyone wants margaritas. Everyone wants the margarita. Wait, why have we got bowls?
To put the salt on the rim.
Ooh, interesting. We might have to put that there, darling. I'm gonna put it there.
I think it's the closest.
I need some user-generated feedback. This is our first proper IRL stream.
This might be really loud.
Yeah. Do we need
Which
this
one
stuff?
do you press?
Do we need this stuff as well?
It actually didn't say.
This is like caramel syrup.
We can do one with and one without. Which one do you press?
Probably that one.
Sorry guys.
This is the ninja.
Really loud.
The ninja. How long for?
Woo! No, I think that's good.
That looks pretty good actually.
Let's try this.
Right, so we've got, is that water?
Yeah.
So Gemma's just dipping in water here. We've got like a bowl of water. Is that sugar?
No.
What is it?
Salt.
Salt?
Yeah.
Salt?
Yeah, that's what you have to put on it.
Oh my god. No, not on a margarita.
Yes, you do. It's salt.
Oh my god.
Only a little bit. That's exactly what you do.
Rock salt.
Yeah.
The stream text. That's a point actually. Is that it? Is that literally it made? Are we making margaritas? That's it done? Yeah?
Yeah.
So what about the
That's
syrup?
one.
What's the syrup?
I just forgot to put it in. But we can do that.
In the next one, right? Right, okay. This man has never had a margarita, has he?
There we go.
Wow.
Perfect. Frozen margarita.
Poif. Right.
Isn't this the best looking thing you've ever seen?
Is that yours or your mum's? Or mine? Should I have the one without the syrup first?
No, I think I might want it.
Right then. Don't pour it down. Don't pour it down yourself.
Oh, try that.
Oh. It's alright. Oh. Woo! Ah. Down it. It's ice. We put too much ice in.
No, it's frozen margarita.
Alright, it's meant to be like that. Fuck. Woo! It's definitely got a tequila
That's the
feel to
extra
it.
tequila in it.
Yeah, yeah. Do you want it or not? I think the extra caramel
Yeah, I'll
stuff
drink it.
would have made a difference. Just to take the edge off. Right. I'm going to make this one. This is for your
Do you
mum.
remember the measurements?
The measurements? Yeah, yeah. Tequila. Big, huge